So Mahavir, nowadays many apps are offering very attractive health insurance products. Is there any catch?
Yes, of course. There is a quite a big catch, in fact, in all these products that apps could offer. These products could be group insurance products, and group insurance products are typically products that have been created as a customized plan, which is created for the users of these apps, right?
Hmm.
These
Okay.
group products essentially are 1 year products. So they are negotiated, the terms are negotiated for 1 year, and the terms can change after 1 year, right? The
Hmm.
premium can change, the benefits can change. In fact, the product can also be withdrawn, and a new insurance company can come into picture also, right?
Hmm.
So very, very important to understand this, that these are short term products, these are not long term products. You are, when you're buying health insurance, you are basically solving a long term problem, which is basically the problem of long term healthcare. You
Got it.
cannot solve it with a short term product like a group insurance, which is a 1 year product. That
Hmm.
is a one important thing that you need to understand. The second thing, which is very important, is a lot of people feel that they have bought a group product, they can move it into a retail product later on, right? Which
Hmm.
is something that they feel that portability kar denge, migration kar denge. But it's not that easy, because when you're getting a group product, there is no evaluation that an insurance company does. They just give you a product basically based on you being a user of an app, or basically a customer of a bank, right? The real evaluation will happen when you are trying to migrate, and at that time an insurance company can actually reject giving you a policy which is a retail policy, which is the long term policy. So from these
Got
two
it.
points of view, one is
Hmm.
that it is not a long term product, it's a short term product where benefits can change, terms can change, price can change, product can be withdrawn. This is one major reason why you should not go for a group product. And second is that portability is not so easy, or migration is not so easy. Even if you buy a group product, if you think
Hmm.
that you can move into a retail or a long term product later, that is not so easy. And hence, typically, if you're not getting any other choice, or you're not getting any other product, then it makes sense to buy this.
Got it.
Otherwise, always look for a long term product.
So how does one find it's a
Yeah.
group policy or not? Like,
The best way is to ask the app. Most of these apps are
okay.
really large companies, right? So they are not going to
Hmm.
fool you. They will tell you. So you should ask the call center, or you could
Okay.
ask on an email or on the chat whether it's a group product or a retail product. They will tell you that this is a group product if it is a group product. The other way to find out is that you could ask for a model policy copy, or you could ask for the policy wording, which is basically the
Okay.
terms and conditions.
Hmm.
And that terms and conditions में जो headline होगा उसमें ही लिखा होगा कि that's a group product,
Ah,
right? So that is another way to find out. These are things
nice.
that you could do.
So Mahavir, these apps also sell insurance for currently Mahakumbh Mela, so which is short term. So
Hmm.
is there any problem to buy that product?
Yeah, so like I said, if you are solving a long term problem, then you
Hmm.
should buy a long term product, which is basically a lifetime renewable product, which is health insurance that is available in retail market,
Hmm.
right? But if you're solving a short term problem, which is basically कि मैं कुछ event के लिए जा रहा हूँ, or basically today insurance is also available if I'm going to play a game of badminton, right?
Hmm.
I can
Hmm.
buy an insurance, accident insurance for that badminton game. That makes
Got it.
sense if it is a group insurance,
Got
because
it.
it gets over by the time you have completed the game. Or it's an Uber ride and Uber ride is covered.
Hmm.
That is group insurance is fine, because that ride is over, the policy is over. But if you're buying something which is for long term,
Long
which
term.
is for your lifetime, then
Hmm.
it cannot be a group policy. Then it should be a retail policy, so that you get the lifetime renewability of that policy, which is a right that customers get when they buy a health insurance.